Imagine landing in the city you've always dreamed of. The Mediterranean sun is shining. Your cruise ship awaits, but the medication you packed legally back home? It's just been confiscated by customs. That's exactly what happened to a senior traveler from Boston when Italian authorities seized her prescription sleep aids, leaving her sleepless for an entire 14-day cruise. If you're a senior traveler, this isn't just a rare horror story, it's a warning. One small packing mistake can cost you your health, your peace of mind, or even thousands of dollars in emergency care. Today on Passport Max, we're revealing the 8 essential items every senior must pack in 2025, items that could literally save your trip. So if you want to travel smarter, not harder, hit the like button and subscribe to Passport Max for insider travel hacks tailored for experienced travelers just like you. Let's get started. Number 1. The digital medical passport. In 2025, a doctor's note won't cut it anymore. Over 30 countries now require a digital medical passport, especially if you're carrying controlled medications or using medical devices like CPAP machines. This secure QR code links to a certified health database confirming that your prescriptions are valid. Without it, customs may seize your medication or even detain you until your prescriptions are verified. What most people don't know is you don't have to pay $75 to third-party companies. You can get one for free through your Medicare travel assistance portal or your private insurer's online dashboard. This passport isn't just for customs. In case of a medical emergency abroad, hospitals can access your verified health history instantly, which can be the difference between life and death. But there's a hidden issue with these systems, and we'll get to that shortly. Number 2. A proper medication documentation system. Traveling with more than 2 prescription meds? Then you're statistically part of the 68% of senior travelers flagged for secondary screening. To avoid unnecessary delays or suspicion, follow this checklist. Always keep medications in original pharmacy bottles. Never use weekly pill organizers during travel, they raise red flags for smuggling. Prepare a medication schedule chart that includes both brand names and generics. Customs officials abroad might not recognize Lipitor, but they'll know atorvastatin. Margaret, a viewer from Florida, was held for 3 hours in Dubai just for carrying mixed pills in a plastic organizer. She nearly missed her cruise because she couldn't prove what she was carrying. And here's a vital point few discuss: even if you make it through customs, storing your medications improperly in transit can make them useless. Here's why. Number 3. Temperature-controlled medication carriers. Checked luggage compartments on planes can hit below freezing temperatures or soar above 100 degrees. That's dangerous for medications like insulin, heart meds, or any biologics that require temperature control. A 2024 FDA report found that 23% of senior travelers carry temperature-sensitive meds that get ruined during flights. The solution? Invest in a TSA-approved temperature-controlled medication carrier with the MedV Verify symbol. These bags use phase-change materials, not ice packs, to keep meds at stable temperatures even on international flights where gel packs might be restricted. The difference between a stable carrier and a basic cooler bag? Your medication works or it doesn't. And now that your meds are protected, you'll need a different kind of protection on your trip: electricity. Number 4. Power backup ecosystem. In 2025, global hotel power outages are up 31% thanks to extreme weather and outdated infrastructure. For travelers who rely on CPAP machines, refrigerated medications, or electric mobility aids, this isn't just a hassle. It's dangerous. Don't just pack a single power bank. Create a power backup ecosystem. Start with a medical-grade power bank, 26,800 mAh, the airline limit, with pure sine wave output to avoid frying sensitive devices. Add a smart dual-voltage converter that auto-adjusts to the power grid in your destination. Bring a travel-sized surge protector with battery backup. Yes, they exist, and they weigh under a pound. One of our viewers, Richard from Texas, said this exact setup saved his wife's insulin during a 3-day blackout in Costa Rica. But power isn't the only thing you need to protect. In 2025, thieves are getting smarter and they're targeting seniors. Number 5. Enhanced Device Security Kit. Senior travelers are now prime targets for medical device theft, especially in hotel lobbies or tourist zones. Why? Black markets pay top dollar for resellable devices like glucose monitors or CPAP units. Here's how to protect yourself. Use a motion-sensitive portable door alarm, not the basic sound-only kind. Pack a portable medical device safely attached to fixed furniture or plumbing. Add Bluetooth trackers to your medical kits. The latest models work offline and can help authorities recover stolen items fast. Just make sure you choose privacy-safe trackers that can't be used to follow you once you leave the area. But what if, despite all this preparation, you still face a medical emergency overseas? Number 6. Telemedicine Backup Plan. Many hospitals abroad charge seniors up to 3 times more than locals, assuming U.S. travelers have deep insurance pockets. A minor visit in Portugal or Panama could cost you over $5,000. You need an international telemedicine plan. Not just any app. Look for services certified by the International Telemedicine Association, which ensures that doctors are licensed in your destination and can legally prescribe medication there. These services can diagnose travel-related conditions, send prescriptions to nearby pharmacies, help you decide whether a trip to the hospital is truly necessary. But telemedicine is only useful if you can communicate your symptoms correctly, especially when English isn't spoken. Number 7. Advanced Translation Tools. Google Translate is great until it isn't. For medical terms, its accuracy is just 68%, which could be dangerous when describing symptoms or allergies. Instead, pack a 2-part translation solution. A medical translation app like Medbable or Canopy Speak, with pre-translated terms for common health conditions. A real-time translator device equipped with medical language support, capable of recognizing over 3,000 health-specific terms even offline. A couple from Minnesota told us how one such device saved the husband's life during an allergic reaction in Japan. He couldn't explain his allergy, but the translator did instantly and accurately. Even with the best tools, emergencies happen and you may not have your phone or device on hand when they do. That's why this last item may be the most important. Number 8. Redundant Emergency Information System. Phones get lost. Batteries die. So what happens when you're unconscious in a foreign hospital and no one knows your conditions or emergency contacts? Every senior traveler in 2025 needs a redundant emergency info system. Start with a wearable QR medical ID bracelet, necklace, or even temporary tattoo that emergency responders can scan. Place physical emergency cards in each piece of luggage, wallet, and daybag. Translate them into the local language. Include key health info and emergency contacts, but never your full travel itinerary or hotel name, which could be misused if lost. Also, register for the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program, STEP, in 2025. It includes medical emergency coordination, meaning U.S. embassies can assist if you're hospitalized abroad. Traveling as a senior in 2025 can be one of life's most rewarding experiences. But one forgotten item like a dead power bank or missing medical ID can flip your dream vacation into a nightmare. We've heard countless stories: a woman who almost got deported for a mislabeled pill case, a man who avoided a $6,000 hospital bill thanks to a telemedicine call, and even a viewer who saved his life with a temperature-controlled insulin case. These aren't luxury items, they're your safety net. So tell us in the comments, which of these surprised you the most? Or do you have a must-pack essential we missed? You could help someone else stay safe. And if this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Passport Max, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the travel tips that truly matter. Until next time, travel smarter, not harder.